Brother, before we talk about the best cardio exercises, we need to understand one truth. A man's heart is not just an organ. It is the engine of his strength, his stamina, and his entire masculine vitality. When the heart weakens, everything weakens. Energy drops, testosterone declines, blood flow slows, and performance, both physical and intimate, fades. But when the heart becomes stronger, a man becomes stronger in every area of his life. Cardio training is not about burning calories. It is about improving circulation, strengthening the heart muscle, reversing arterial stiffness, restoring oxygen flow, and building the endurance of a powerful man. The right cardio can reverse years of damage, but the wrong cardio can stress your body, spike inflammation, and drain your hormones. In this documentary, we will explore the 6 most effective forms of cardio that protect a man's heart, boost his stamina, and restore his long-term vitality. And we begin with the foundation. Zone 2.
While Zone 2 heals the heart, HIIT elevates it. But HIIT must be approached with respect. Too much intensity harms the heart. But done properly, it strengthens circulation faster than almost any other exercise. HIIT means short bursts of high effort, followed by full recovery, repeated for 8 to 15 minutes total. The benefits for men include improved VO2 max, faster arterial dilation, and increased nitric oxide production. Additional benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced heart muscle strength, and stronger endurance during daily activity. One example of safe HIIT: 30 seconds fast pace, 1 to 2 minutes slow pace. Repeat for 6 to 8 rounds. This is enough to challenge the heart without overwhelming it. HIIT is not for beginners, but for advanced men, HIIT is the spark that makes the heart more powerful, more efficient, and more responsive.
Brother, heart health and male performance are deeply connected. Every physical and intimate performance depends on one thing: blood flow. If circulation weakens, everything weakens. Cardio directly improves nitric oxide levels, endothelial function, oxygen transport, pelvic blood flow, and vascular flexibility. Exercises that enhance male-specific blood flow include cycling at a moderate pace, rowing, incline walking, swimming, stair walking, and light jogging. These movements generate a smooth, rhythmic blood flow that nourishes the arteries supplying the heart and the lower pelvic region. A man who trains his heart automatically improves his stamina and vitality. Because the body is designed to reward proper circulation with improved performance in every area of life. To finish this documentary, here is the most effective weekly routine for long-term heart health and male vitality. This routine is safe, science-based, and sustainable, designed specifically for men seeking optimal cardiovascular well-being. First, the core of this plan involves 3 sessions of Zone 2 cardio each week, lasting between 30 to 45 minutes per session. This foundational training is crucial as it builds your heart's endurance and efficiency, strengthening its capacity over time. Next, aim for 10,000 steps per day or a minimum of 7,000 steps to maintain arterial flexibility. Consistent daily walking helps keep your arteries pliable and healthy, promoting better blood flow throughout your body. Incorporate 1 to 2 sessions of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, per week, each lasting 8 to 12 minutes. This powerful training method is designed to significantly boost your power, speed, and VO2 max, enhancing your overall cardiovascular performance. Finally, dedicate 1 session to gentle cardio recovery, choosing activities like swimming, a long walk, or light cycling. This crucial recovery session allows your body to heal and adapt, preparing you for the next week of training and preventing overtraining. The consistent application of this weekly heart training plan yields remarkable results for your health. You can expect lower blood pressure, leading to a healthier cardiovascular system and reduced risk of heart disease. You'll experience better circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout your entire body. Your arteries will become stronger and more resilient, capable of handling the demands of an active lifestyle. You'll also see improved nitric oxide production, which is vital for vascular health and blood vessel relaxation. These physiological improvements translate into higher vitality, giving you more energy for daily activities and pursuits. You'll gain greater stamina, allowing you to sustain physical effort for longer periods without fatigue. Expect a better mood and increased confidence, as regular exercise is a powerful tool for mental well-being and self-assurance. Ultimately, this routine will lead to a more powerful heart, capable of supporting a full and active life. Brother, remember this. Your heart is your life engine. It powers everything you do, every moment of your existence. Train it wisely, and it will reward you with abundant energy, peak performance, mental clarity, and the undeniable strength of a man in full power. This is the cardio blueprint for men who aspire to live strong, age slow, and perform like a man built for endurance, both physically and intimately.